do you guys have any CDs here for sale, or?
I just brought a hat, a donation hat, and then I will send you a personalized MP3 of the song. I'll just do it.
There you go. Well, hey, I've sold MP3s for $1.
And I'll do it. I'll do it, yeah.
All right, one last one from Stan.
Thank you. I know that Debbie was going up so you feel feeling better, but I think for all that she always does, and I think Sam, is it Sam? Because he's doing a great job with Sam.
Thanks a lot.
And right now I think it's Carly. I feel like I have went out and rocked all weekend, partied Friday, partied Saturday, and then she took me to church on Sunday. So that's the kind of, I love that. I love it. Life is good. All right, this is a song that I wrote several years ago, and I'm from Georgia. I've lived in Nashville area about a year and a half, and a friend of mine from Georgia, Mr. Clay Page, he came to Nashville. He's a singer, songwriter, and last year when we were in his hotel room, we went to see him. I think we kind of finished the song, and I've never played it in front of anybody, I don't think. So, and this is before, like, a lot of these rap songs came out, but now I wish I could have put a rap in this anyway. That's all I got. I don't have anything else. Yeah, you can have a little bit. Let's get the groove going. Oh, you're driving a Monte Carlo, got country booming on the radio, with bass pumping and some twang. You can hear them guitars ring, move down to a riverbank spot, or bring country to the parking lot. Pick up a truck with a tailgate down, put a girl in and ride her around. Way out here with the white flames on, we got a feeling good, man, it can't be wrong. Country music playing from dusk till dawn. Neon sign on the one down shack, local band singing about a man in black. Boots and boogie on the old wood floor, they got the crowd screaming for more. Way out here with the white flags on, we got a feeling good, man, it can't be wrong. Country music playing from dusk till dawn. Now if you live in the city, but your radio dials on country, you can take the highway to a dirt road and come along. Way out here when the lightning's gone, we got a feeling good, man, it can't be wrong. Country music playing from dusk till dawn. I think we'll stay out all night. I think we'll sit right at the end. I think we're just going to keep going. I'm just kidding. Dusk till dawn. There has to be an end. When the light comes. And I think my light has started to come. Dusk till dawn.
Stan Brown. And one more from Willie.